Hello everyone. This is a video tutorial for Tally, the remaining part of our introduction to inventories. Okay, we have left with the, actually we have discussed about the cost. We'll have just practical things about this, how to maintain cost centers and all. Basically cost, what is cost? Cost, we whatever expenditure we do, okay, we normally say expenses comes under this cost, okay, of the organization. So expenses incurred on the rent of different buildings, they have given there, various telephone expenses, the department-wise travel expenses, the salaries given to different levels of the organization. All these things comes under the costs. Okay, so basically cost centers and cost categories will give you the third dimension information, in-depth information. Okay, for the voucher entries. So normally voucher entry we normally do paid salary, okay, from cash to salary account. It will not give the details about to whom you have paid salary and all. Okay, cost centers and cost categories will give you that information for which employee how much salary you have given. Okay, apart from that total salary, that information you will get clearly. So for that purpose we create the cost centers. Basically cost centers are the units of the organization which to which transactions are allocated. So wherever you are expending, that becomes a cost center. Okay, examples, so many examples are there. Employee salary is a cost center. Okay, telephone bill paid, rent paid, these are another different cost centers. Okay, so cost centers are they are given that these are the centers to which only costs or expenses are allocated. Okay. So it can be location like godowns and all. It can be a person like employees and all, or an item of equipment like any kind of fixed assets and all, for which cost may be ascertained and used for the purpose of cost control. So they are given, in other words, it is the unit used to allocate expenses between units, person, location, etc. Some examples also they are given, cost centers. Okay. Now what are cost categories? Cost categories are basically group, like we have groups in accounts. Okay, all sales account goes to sales account, all salary account goes to indirect expenses group. Like these groupings are there. Here also similar type of cost centers are grouped in a cost category. Cost categories are nothing but the similar cost centers. Okay, all employee salaries becomes one cost center, all rent paid becomes one cost category. Okay, and all type of telephone bill paid payments, okay, that comes under another cost category. So like this we have categories. Okay, so you can create various cost centers and allocate similar type of cost centers to a particular cost category. Okay, so examples also they are given on page number 173. Cost category and cost centers. Like departments is a cost category. In that cost centers are production, sales, okay, finance, marketing, such type of departments will come. Okay, salaries is cost category. In that supervisor, manager, director, all their salaries comes under, okay, cost category of salaries. Okay, like this cost category and cost centers we use for third dimension information, that is in-depth information about the cost. Today we'll see how to activate cost centers and cost categories, and how to create cost centers, cost categories in Tally, and how to use them in voucher entry. Okay, so they are given the steps also how to activate cost centers. You should remember the steps. These are normal steps. Like we know, first go to Gateway of Tally. You have to open the Gateway of Tally screen. Then okay, select F11 features button. You have to click on F11 button. F11 button feature is used to add the features of Tally in your software. Okay, different features are there. Accounting features are there, inventory features are there, and taxation features are there. If you want to add any kind of feature to your software, you are going to go to F11 features button. So if you simply press F11, Okay, so it will open a company features menu. In that we have three categories of features: accounting features, inventory features, and statutory and taxation. These are three different types of features which are present. Okay, so basically after clicking F11 features button, it will display company's features menu. In that you have to select the accounting feature, because cost centers and cost categories comes under accounting features. So you have to click on that accounting features. Then accounting features form will open. Okay, so in that accounting features, okay, there is different sections like general, invoicing, outstanding management, budgets and scenarios, cost, profit centers, management, other features. So you have to go to the section cost, profit centers, management. In that, second option is there, maintain cost centers. It is no. You have to make it yes. Just to press Y and press enter key, and use more than one cost category. Okay, first you have activated cost centers, then you activate cost categories. Okay, yes. So two options under that. Under that you have to maintain cost and profit center management section. Set yes to maintain cost centers option and more than one payroll cost category option. These two options you have to set yes. Once you do that, don't do any kind of changes after that. Just go to the end and click on yes button to accept. Now if you go back, okay, and open accounts info, you will find cost centers and cost categories options activated in your accounts info. Earlier it was showing only groups, ledgers, voucher types, but now these two features are added. Okay, these are accounting features, so it comes in accounts info. Okay, so this way we can activate this kind of feature. Now we will see whether there is a salary ledger here. Okay, display salary ledger is there, salary account is there. Okay, so now I will try to create some cost centers and cost categories. So let us create some cost categories. Okay, first you have to create cost category. So cost categories, select cost categories, click on create under single cost category creation. Give the name of the category. See, the name is like salaries. This is one category. Salaries, that means it is plural. More than one salary comes under this. Okay. So you have to create a category. So name you have to provide. Then alias if you want. Then next you have set this option to yes. Actually already they set allocate revenue items, because it is a these two options you have to actually don't make any kind of changes here. Okay, by default it will set it. Okay, so if you want you can change, but automatically these settings have been given, okay, by the Tally. If required you can change, otherwise don't touch these things. Then click on accept. One category is created. Okay, if you want further more categories to be created, then you can create other categories, like for example I will create one more category, rents category. So if you go back, you will see those two categories. Okay, display. So this is one primary, by default it is rents and salaries category I have created. I will go for the centers, cost centers. So I will create few centers in those categories. So for example, I will create two employees by the name of employee, salaries by the name of employee. So while creating cost centers, what you have to do, you have to go to accounts info. Then after accounts info, we have to go to the next cost centers. Then from cost centers, you have to click on create. Then cost center creation screen will appear. In that you have to mention the information like category. That cost center belongs to which category? So it is salary. So salaries. So name of the employee, suppose it is employee, store, room, and go down, A, go down,